progress begins with a change in vision. In 2006, Mr. J.M. Hegde took charge of Biorad Medisys. From its early years, the company set out to create value through research, precision manufacturing, and collaboration with clinicians. Each milestone reflected a simple belief that quality healthcare should be within reach for every patient, everywhere.
When we started the Biorad Medisys, we never had an orthopedic division as part of the Biorad. When I went through the market and when I realized there is a big gap in the products what you are serving today and what is required. So then I thought, we should be making something in India and making sure that, this products reaches to every corner of India. So in that process, started my division of orthopedic. Now we are most rewarded player in Indian medical devices as far as orthopedic is concerned.
Under the leadership of Mr. Jitendra Hegde, that vision continues to evolve, shaping Biorad Medisys into a global MedTech enterprise built on the foundations of arthroplasty and arthroscopy. Manufacturing has always been central to Biorad Medisys, supported by advanced technology, rigorous process control, and a consistent focus on precision and reliability. Having 5 facilities across Pune, Kolkata, and Bangalore, these facilities have robust infrastructure to ensure smooth and efficient production. Integrate controlled environments, advanced machinery, and strong quality frameworks to meet international standards. As part of this journey, we invested early in 3D printing, building capabilities over the past decade that support primary and revision implant development with greater design flexibility. Robotic buffing complements this capability by ensuring uniform, high-quality surface finishes across implants. Together, these elements shape a disciplined manufacturing approach built on consistency, care, and confidence. Innovation at Biorad Medisys is guided by a clear purpose, aligning clinical needs with disciplined engineering to advance arthroplasty and arthroscopy. Our R&D efforts follow a structured, collaborative process, from concept and prototyping to testing and refinement, ensuring every development moves forward with clarity and purpose. This approach has led to 33 patents across design, materials, and manufacturing. Our work is further supported through collaborations with renowned universities, enabling deeper scientific inputs and specialized development pathways. At Biorad Medisys, we believe that advancing MedTech begins with advancing how surgeons learn. This led to Search, a platform focused on structured and clinically relevant surgical education. Through masterclasses, hands-on workshops, and simulation-based training, Search supports skill refinement and technique adoption. Its impact extends to nurse training, technician sessions, and observerships, strengthening real-world learning. With 130-plus programs and 4,500-plus healthcare professionals engaged, Search continues to foster learning and progress in surgery. Decades of innovation and precision have built more than products. They've built trust. Today, that trust connects Biorad Medisys to healthcare systems across more than 50 countries. And as our global footprint continues to grow, it strengthens the purpose that has guided us from the beginning, advancing orthopedic care for patients everywhere.